Namaste. Hope you all staying safe. I am going to give you a task before starting the topic. The task is you have to identify what topic I am going to discuss in this video. Are you ready? What comes to your mind when you think about forests? Very good. Medicinal plants, trees, wild animals, rainfall. Very good. So, do you think that forests are useful to us? Yes, forests are very useful to us. Forests give us many useful products. Along with that, many other uses also there. So, forests are very important to us. Do you know about the difference between forest and a garden? Right. Forest is different from garden. A garden is a human made and a forest is a natural one. So now I think you got to know what are the topics I am going to discuss in this video. Very good. So today's topic is what are forests and importance of forests. Forests are an important natural resource and help us in many ways by giving several products. Let us know what are forests. What is the difference between a forest and a garden? Right? A garden is a human made. We plant trees in a garden. But a forest is a large area of land thickly covered with trees and having a rich natural environment. No one will plant trees in the forest. Wild animals and plants living in forests depend on them for their survival. Many wild animals also. And they are rich in natural vegetation. Trees and plants grow without being planted by us as well as wildlife. Importance of forests. Trees produce oxygen during photosynthesis, which is vital for life on earth. You know about photosynthesis very well, right? So these forests are considered as earth's lungs. These forests are considered as earth's lungs. Trees growing in forests provide us shade and also keep the surrounding areas very cool. These forests provide food and shelter for wild animals. Forests absorb many toxic gases and thus purify the air. The roots of trees hold the forest soil particles together and prevent soil erosion. This also helps in improving the quality and fertility of soil. The forests also provide different types of products which are very useful to us, like fruits, nuts, medicinal herbs, leaves, barks, fruits. Eucalyptus trees provide leaves, cinchona, tulsi leaves, many medicinal plants, not only one or two, many medicinal plants they produce and to cure infections. And the wood we get from trees is also very useful for making furniture, doors and windows of houses, for making boats. Like the different types of products from forests are very helpful for us for firewood, softwood, and this softwood is very helpful in preparation of paper, plywood, pencils, matchsticks, etc. And resin from trees is also used in manufacturing paints, varnish, and a number of other things also. So people who do not have access to the gas stove have to depend on firewood, which finally they get from trees. That means from forests. Rubber, honey, lac, gum, these are also some of the products from forests. Hope you all understood the difference between a forest and a garden. and the importance of forest and how forests are very useful to us. Thank you.